What's up guys, James here, Project Paperweight. Quick, simple video. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2013, 14, or 15 Lexus ES350. So let's jump in. Alright, with your ignition on but the car turned off, you will see this screen where your odometer reading is right here. You want to press the trip button until trip A comes up. And then you want to turn the car off all the way. Now, back over here, you want to hold that button down. 1, 2, and then over here, I'm going to push that button twice. This will come on, and then you'll see that countdown. You'll be back at 0, and once you start the car, your maintenance required light will be gone. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and anyone can do it. So I'm going to try to get all of you guys a little more general maintenance stuff coming up in the near future. Until then, just keep your eyes open for more videos from Project Paperweight, as well as our giveaway coming up. We're doing some general maintenance giveaway stuff, so keep your eyes open. Within the next 2 weeks, we should be releasing it. Check out our Instagram as well. That's where we're going to be premiering it and choosing from. So see you guys next time. Project Paperweight.